All right, guys, so today we're looking at the Flex Stack Pack Organizer Box, which is product number FS1301. First, let's talk about the design. The Flex Stack Pack Organizer is made from high-impact, durable polymer. The latches are sturdy and easy to use, so there's no fighting to open and close this thing. Now let's go ahead and take a look on the inside here. The box is designed with customizable compartments, and each of the boxes here, except for the smaller ones, have these removable dividers that really just allow you to set up the box any way you need, whether that's taking all of these out or leaving them in, or maybe you need some larger compartments here. It's really up to you on how you set this up. There's so many possibilities. In the middle, you also have a larger compartment with a couple dividers as well. This would be great for screwdrivers, maybe small levels, or even pry bars, things like that. But just having all these dividers really kind of lets you set this up any way you need it to, allows you to kind of control what goes in here. Now, I think the other thing that really sets this apart from a lot of other organizers is this nice clear plastic top that is still very sturdy. You can see down inside here and see what you need. But you also have the capability to stack this, but with a smaller plastic top where you have this style of sides. The weight of the heavier boxes is distributed to the sides, so you don't have to worry as much about the plastic cracking if it gets dropped with boxes on top. This is part of the Flex Stack Pack system, so it has the latching mechanisms on the side here, of course, and you can stick this on other Stack Pack boxes, but you have the capability as well to stack something on top of this, because sometimes I have multiple organizers and I want to be able to stack them on top of each other, or maybe I have maybe I have a light or something, or a smaller organizer that I want to stick on top. Just a lot of different possibilities because I can still stack stuff on top of this. Now, it is dust and water resistant, so if you do happen to leave this outside, you don't have to worry. Your tools are still going to be protected. Now, the other thing here, even though this is a smaller box, you still have the capability to add some of the attachments. So you do have screw holes on the sides here. So there's 4 of them. There's a bar you can put on here. You can add some of the attachments, which is really nice. Just a lot of nice functionality and features to this one. The major pros for this thing, definitely the durable plastic top and the ability to stack boxes on top of it as well, but also the capability to configure the inside pretty much any way you need it to, whether you're using long screws, long nails, or whether you're using short ones. Just so many possible configurations on the inside of this thing. You also have the durable impact resistant build, dust and water resistant. It's lightweight and it fits nicely on the Flex Stack Pack system.